Come with us for a tour around our Birmingham office building. Grab a coffee, snack or lunch from the cafe on the ground floor. There's also co-working space for you to enjoy here. Then, head on down to the gym. It's free to use. There's also a yoga studio, drying room and luxury showers. You'll get extra break time if you want to go there during lunch. Back to business. Let's head up to the small education office. Hi everyone. Here's the kitchen. And here's a fancy tap. More co-working and breakout space. Here's a free coffee machine. We like the free coffee machine. Now it's time to head back to work. We hope to see you soon.